Hello dear phasmatic friends. Today, nonlinear inequalities, quadratic, but with another method. Follow me please. First of all, we identify that we have an inequality and that is quadratic. It is nonlinear. First step, the same as in the other method. Everything to the left side. X squared minus x less than 0. Second step, make operations. But here we have nothing to do. Third step, factorize. The common factor here is x. Remember, we choose the letter that repeats with the smallest exponent. And after that we divide the first term by the common factor and the second term by the common factor. So x squared divided by x, x, negative divided by positive negative, x divided by x, 1. And now pay attention. We change for another step that we didn't have before in the other method. So we write analyze possibilities. If you want something less than 0, that means that numbers smaller than 0 are the negatives. So if you need a negative, you can do positive times negative or negative times positive. That is, you will have two possibilities. The first possibility, the second possibility. And when in math you need something or another thing, you are going to make the union of the answers. So you need that this will be positive and at the same time this negative. When in math you say something and another thing, you put intersection. The other possibility, this negative and this positive, because negative times positive will be less than 0, negative. So here you write x less than 0 and x minus 1 greater than 0, and means intersection in math. Okay? Positive times negative gives you negative, and negative times positive gives you negative. Now we are gonna solve it. Here nothing to do. Here you have a linear inequality, so you solve it as an equation. But if you pass a negative dividing or if you pass a negative multiplying, you will change this sign. Here it is not the case. X less than 1, and that's it. Here the same, x greater than 1, and that's it. So when you want to do an intersection, you must draw it in the number line. So numbers greater than 0, from 0 to the right side. And here numbers less than 1, so to the left side. And if you intersect the answers, you will have that you have electrical wires and you make them touch by themselves, you are going to have electricity from 0 to 1. The two wires will be touching by themselves from 0 to 1. And here, numbers that are less than 0, and here numbers greater than, and here numbers greater than 1. So here you are not going to have a touch because one wire is here, the other wire is there. If you put the wires, they won't be touching themselves. So the answer is from 0 to 1. So for the answer we are going to draw a number line from 0 to 1 with a circle on each side, and that's it. Another way of writing the answer from 0 to 1 with parentheses. Another way, the set of numbers that are elements of the real numbers, such as x is greater than 0 but x is less than 1. And that's it. Another method for calculating nonlinear inequalities. Thank you very much, dear Phasmatic friends. See you next time.